Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to fix the hyperflashing in your turn signals if you installed LED lights on your car. So see here my Subaru Legacy 2017, how the lights on it, they are like lighting very fast, and this is not good, and I can correct this. So I'm gonna show you what you need to do this and how to install it. So what you need to do to fix this is to install resistors in parallel on one of the LED lights. So I'm gonna install it in the front LED light, and I'm gonna show you how to install it. So I'm gonna leave a link for this also in the description if you wanna check them out. They are really cheap, like you can get 4 of them for about $10, and they have self-tapping like hooks to install them, and everything is included in the package. So let's install them now. So what you need to do first is to remove the turning light signal from its socket, and it is here. I hope you can see it. So turn it counterclockwise, and it can be easily removed like this. And here it is removed. And in my car, the turning signal has 2 wires only here. So we need to tap the wires of the resistor here in parallel. And to do this, I'm gonna put the sleeve a little bit down, and it's really very easy to tap them here. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. So let's open the resistors, and we need only one resistor. In case it doesn't work, put another one. So the cables should be like this here in parallel. So take one of the tapping hooks. Let's start with the green cable here. Look at the tab. It has here 2 holes, so you need to slide it in the hole that is on the bottom, and then you put the cable of the resistor in the hole that is on the top. So let's do this. Do not yank too much on the cable, and please do this only if you're sure what you're doing. And if you're not sure what you're doing, have a professional help you. I'm not responsible if you damage something in your car. So this is it here. So it went in. So now we need to put the resistor cable here. So slide it from the top like this. And now look at the 2 cables, they are in. And now we need to close it here like this. So it has 2 levels. So this is the first level. It is closing, and then we need to push it with a plier so that it closes very well. So here it is, it closed now on both cables. And let's do the second one. And for the second one, I'm gonna use a blue tap. There's no difference between both taps. So here it went in all the way. Let's put now the cable of the resistor. So I'm gonna slide it in like this. So here it is in, and now let's close it. This is the first one, and let's do the second one now. And here's the second one. So now we need to put the light back in the socket. So you just insert it and you turn it clockwise. And what's important in this is afterwards, I'm gonna secure the resistor to a part of the chassis of the car. So here's the light installed. Now because it is a flashing light, the resistor will not get very hot, but nevertheless, I'm gonna secure it. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna secure it here with a zip tie. So this is the result after the installation, and look how the rhythm of the turning light signal is good now, and it's not hyper flashing anymore. I kept it for around 1-2 minutes now, and it's still working flawlessly. And the same also on the back of the car. It is working the same, of course, because they both use the same circuit. So now after we install the resistor and we check the result that it is working, we need to tidy it up. So I'm gonna hook the resistor to the chassis of the car with a zip tie. So this is here the final installation result, and look how tidy it is, and it should be tidy so that it doesn't get loose under the bonnet. I hope that this video was useful to you. In case it was, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. I want to thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.